Welcome back. Let's do question 222. The sketch alongside shows the graphs of f of x is equal to k over x plus w and g of x is equal to negative x minus 1. The graph of g is an axis of symmetry of f. The graphs of f and g intersect at p and q. So these are points of intersection. The point negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, 7, not negative 2, negative 7. This is positive 7. Negative 2, 7 lies on f. Calculate the value of k. In question 221, we managed to find that w is equal to negative 1, meaning that we have f of x is equal to k over x minus 1. Then we are going to substitute the coordinates of this point. Y is 7, so we put 7 there, is equal to k over x. X we put what? Negative 2. X is negative 2. Then minus 1. We transpose negative 1, or we add 1 on both sides of the equation. We get 8 is equal to k over negative 2. Then we multiply both sides by negative 2. Negative 16 is equal to k. Therefore, k is equal to negative 16.